how to kick out someone from Snapchat group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can kick out someone from Snapchat groups, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically kick someone out of a Snapchat group, you can open the Snapchat application here and then first of all come to your chats page. Over here you should be able to see many sort of groups and everything else that you are a part of. Now if you want to search for them manually, you can tap the search option over here, or you can just tap on this option to be able to view those groups. So let me just create a group right away by simply tapping some of the options over here. Now once you have created a certain group over here, you'll find the group over here. You can open that group, tap on the group name from the top of the screen, and from you'll see all this. So if there's a certain member, you can see group members, you can select them, and then you can just go ahead and then long press on their particular name here. So let me go ahead and long press on it, and then here you'll find remove from group option. Tap on remove from group and then remove them. Repeat the process for the other people that you want to remove from group as well. This way you'll be able to remove or kick someone out of a Snapchat group. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.